Good morning to everyone. Today we discussing the functions of the sleep. Sleep is essential for the every person's life. Sleep is occupying one third of the life in every person. Sleep is one of the basic biological need. So what are the functions maintaining in human bodies in during sleep? The main function is maintaining the function of brain. Next, maintaining function of mind. Brain is different, mind is different. Brain is a solid organ, mind is a invisible organ. It is not an organ, invisible part. Basically the function of brain is mind. So sleep is adequate sleep is maintaining function of brain and function of mind. And then the formation of new pathways, particularly during the night time. The adequate sleep is maintaining processing of information. This is also more important. Improving the memory levels and learning techniques. So then increasing attention. Attention means our human brain activities, energies, abilities focusing on one point is the attention. So improving the attention, creativity and easily making decisions. Basically the 5 to 25% of decrease in metabolic rate during night sleep. So conservation of the energy is the important function of the sleep. This function is related to the particularly deep sleep in NREM sleep, non-rapid eye movement sleep. So brain function corrected during REM sleep. Conservation of the energy is linked to NREM sleep. Brain function, mind function is correcting the during REM sleep. So sleep is also essential for maintaining of physical health also. Physical health of the body, particularly in the healing processes and repair of some cells in the body. New cell formation is the main function during night time with the sleep, adequate sleep. So maintaining the balance of hormones in the body, such as the ghrelin and leptin also, which regulates the feeling of hunger and fullness of the stomach. So avoiding of the heaviness of the taking food, heaviness of the stomach. So the avoiding or prevention of the obesity. Then change the insulin levels also. Inadequate sleep, it can result in the increase blood glucose levels in the body. It is causing higher risk of cardiovascular diseases, coronary artery disease. So that's why hurry, worry, coronary means that is the inadequate sleep people is hurry, worry and coronary diseases. Hurry, worry, coronary. And then stroke also common in inadequate sleep persons. Long lasting, that is the CKD, chronic kidney diseases also. So finally, sleep is the strong determinant of productivity during the day at workplaces, person's workplace and studies, particularly in the students. So sleep is essential. Thank you very much.